Whatever power that is there inside the river that can be explored in a proper manner without affecting the ecology and the environment. And I believe that is the main principal objective. Respected Sri C.R. Patelji, Honorable Union Minister of Jal Shakti, is a very dynamic minister. Is my colleague in the Council of Ministers, and I believe within a short span of time, Patel would register his potential, his abilities by creating many more success stories in this particular sector. Respected Sri Raj Bhushan Chaudhary, Honorable Minister of State, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Honorable Ministers from the State of Assam, Srimati Ajanta Newdangariani, and Minister for Arunachal Pradesh, Byaung Wagji, Minister for Manipur, Sri Khuraijam Loken Singh Ji, Minister for Meghalaya, Sri Medpat Lingdo Ji, Minister from Mizoram, Sri P.C. Banla Lura Laji, Minister for Sikkim, Sri Sonam Lamaji, Minister from Tripura, Srimati Santana Shakmaji, Minister from Nagaland, Mr. Tangpang Ujukomji, and Advisor for Arunachal Pradesh, Hayang Mangliji, respected officers from the different states of the Northeastern region, and Dr. Ranveer Singh, the Chairman, Brahmaputra Board, ladies and gentlemen, I have a written speech. Please bear with me. It will take 10 minutes time. I am pleased to address the 14th meeting of the High-Powered Review Board of Brahmaputra Board here today at Guwahati. This high-powered review board to oversee the work of the Brahmaputra Board, which was constituted in March 1982. It has completed 44 years of service towards fostering sustainable development and equitable utilization of the Brahmaputra River's water resources through effective regulation and development within the inter-state Brahmaputra and Barak River Valley. The Brahmaputra Board plays a vital role in integrated river basin management in the Northeastern region. The Brahmaputra and Barak River system form the backbone of inland water transport in the Northeastern region. Inland Waterways Authority of India has declared the Brahmaputra River as National Waterways 2 and the Barak River as National Waterways 16, which provide strategic opportunities for strengthening regional and national connectivity. National Waterways 2 on the Brahmaputra provides an important inland water transport corridor connecting Assam with the port of Kolkata and Haldia through the Indo-Bangladesh Protocol route, thereby providing access of the Northeastern region to mainland India and international maritime trade route. The waterway network of the Northeastern region also has significant potential for enhancing connectivity with neighboring countries and supporting India's active policy through regional trade and multimodal transportation corridors. Inland water transport is also critical for improving connectivity to remote and riverine areas, particularly where waterways continue to serve as an important mode of transportation during flood season and period of disrupted road connectivity. With this objective in mind, since 2014, Under the dynamic and visionary leadership of our noble Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, inland water transport sector has witnessed transformational growth. From a mere 18 million metric ton of cargo transported through our national waterways in 2014, last year in 2025-26, we transported 218 million metric ton of cargo, representing a magnificent growth of 1,111% in 12 years. At a CAGR of over 23% annually. This is the immense potential of inland water transport, which government prior to 2014 failed to capitalize. In the last 12 years, whatever exemplary success story being created, it is only happening because of the dynamic leadership of our noble Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In order to strengthen inland waterways infrastructure and connectivity in Assam, major projects worth around 751 crores have already been completed by the Inland Waterways Authority of India under the Ministry of Port Shipping Waterways. This includes the construction of high-level jetty at Pandu and Dhubri development of the inland water transport terminal at Jugigupa, multimodal logistic park, cargo cum tourist terminal at Bogibil, floating tourist jetties at Bogibil and Pandu, renovation of existing shore facilities at the Badarpur and Karimganj terminals, IWT terminals at Sunamara, customs and immigration building at Bogibil and Dhubri, operational and maintenance work including terminal operation and fairway maintenance, ongoing works in Assam. We are doing major waterways project in Assam worth of over 1,170 crores. This includes fairways development through Dredging Corporation of India for Brahmaputra River from Bangladesh border to Pandu, ship repair facility at Pandu, approach road connecting Pandu jetty with National Highway 27, tourist jetty at Vishwanath Ghat, and a cargo cum cruise terminal at Nimati, a regional center of excellence at Dibrugarh, and many more. We are also building an office at Fancy Bazar to house the Inland Waterways Authority of India Regional Office, Maritime Skill Development Center, guest house, and for providing office space.
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰত।